Up until this point, we have considered several well-known examples of trade secrets, and we looked at some of the reasons why trade secrets have become popular. Before we focus on working with you to identify your trade secrets, let's look at the basics of trade secrets and go over some more down-to-earth examples. Hopefully this will give you some ideas about how to look at your company and where your trade secrets are to be found. So, quick definition of trade secrets to get the basics out of the way. So pay attention. A trade secret can be any information not generally known in your industry, information that provides you with a commercial benefit because it is kept a secret, and which is being actively protected. Which means that the manner in which you're protecting your trade secret should be reasonable given the circumstances. Okay, so any information can be treated as a trade secret as long as it provides commercial value because it is kept a secret, and as long as you can show that it's being protected. And if you're wondering why this is important to you, the answer is this is how you demonstrate to others that you have value. So let's go over some examples of what can be considered a trade secret. Insights from data collected, algorithms, failed test results, formulas, software development methods, even supplier lists. So here are some real-life examples from our clients to provide context. And as you listen to these examples, try to think of what might be considered a trade secret in your business. So first example, Goodbite is a food tech company that developed a meat substitute. The trade secret is the method for the production of vegan and gluten-free meat substitute using only 5 ingredients. The company is based in Israel, and one of the big challenges for its company was to take just a few ingredients and glue them together into one single substance, one that will not fall apart when grilled, cooked, or boiled. The founder of this company has managed to pull this off without having to add gluing materials such as eggs, preservatives, or flour. Because the process of making that substance cannot be reverse engineered, the company decided not to file a patent application and now protects this as a trade secret. Now, the interesting part is that the company has already completed 3 rounds of financing on the basis of this trade secret without even revealing it. So the quantities of the different ingredients that go into the meat substitute, as well as the method of preparing it, are very closely guarded in the company. So can you see how protecting this process provides crazy value to the company? When the inventors of Goodbite reviewed the company and wanted to invest, the founders told them that the company has several trade secrets that they had decided not to file as patents, and confirmed that those trade secrets had been deposited in a safe. This means the investors could do the deal without even reviewing the trade secrets. Now let's consider another example, a very different type of trade secret. Second example is a company called Cytec Auto, a company that delivers a combined software and hardware solution to its clients in the cybersecurity niche. The trade secret is a supplier list, and the company delivers cybersecurity solutions. Now, part of their development process of solutions require that they use certain components from their suppliers. Once they get a new client order and start configuring the solution, they rely on certain suppliers that are able to provide them with the specific hardware components that they need. Now, the list of these suppliers is very valuable to the company because having a list of several suppliers that are able to fulfill specific needs of the process is what allows this company to cut delivery time by 50%. That means fulfill orders quickly. So when we think of the list of contacts, we don't ordinarily think trade secret. After all, it's just a list. It's not a formula, it's not an algorithm, it's not a complex process, it's just a bunch of names and phone numbers and maybe some more information layered on top. But if the ability to fulfill orders within 1 week provides the company with a competitive advantage, which it does because most companies in this space require 1 month to fulfill their orders, then the list of suppliers that helps reduce the delivery time should be protected as a trade secret. For example 3 and 4 we're going to talk about data, because data deserves some special consideration. Overall, data is increasingly important in today's economy and has become the new gold. That's the third example, a company called Indoor Breeze. The company collects specific types of data relating to indoor and outdoor air quality. By analyzing the data, the company is able to generate insights about their customers and can reduce air pollution inside their buildings. Why are these insights valuable to Indoor Breeze? They are valuable because the company is able to attract businesses with sustainability goals. Let's consider another example. Example number 4, Cargonet. Cargonet is a company that has developed a platform for matching cargo with transportation resources. And the trade secret is the insights the company has generated from the data it collects. The algorithm takes the data relating to types of cargo, departure, destination, information of shipped parcels, and it matches the cargo with cars, trucks, or airplanes that are available for transport. Here, the trade secrets are not necessarily in the data itself, but in the insights generated from the data. By monitoring and analyzing the data, the company obtains important information on the operational needs of the company's clients. And because the company analyzes these patterns of behavior, it is also better positioned to strategically market to its customers in a number of ways. Now, every company that collects data holds a very valuable resource. The only question is whether or not they are aware of the strategic information they're holding. We find that with companies we work with, the actual data set is a trade secret, and sometimes even the method of collecting the data is unique and should be protected as a trade secret. Now, example number 5. Neuroscan is a company that provides website optimization performance, and the trade secret is algorithms. The company has developed algorithms for delivering content more efficiently to users. These methods for optimizing website performance provide the company with a competitive advantage over other companies. The algorithms and the methods developed by Neuroscan should definitely be treated as trade secrets. Now let's look at one final example. I really hope this is helping you. This time, a non-technical example of a trade secret. Let's go back to Indoor Breeze. The company has done a competitive landscape report. The marketing manager and the CEO have looked at the market. They've also examined the deals happening in their space, as well as the royalties being paid for similar platforms. And while examining consumer behavior and market trends, they started analyzing, all the data and created a go-to-market plan. Now, that go-to-market plan has many insights based on business intelligence that they've gathered and other data they collected. But it's not just the go-to-market plan that should be considered a trade secret. The CEO and marketing manager, after analyzing all the data, are also planning to develop new products and services which better meet customer needs and stay ahead of competition. Can you see how valuable this information is and how it provides a competitive advantage? Hopefully, these trade secrets case studies provide you with a better idea of what can be treated as a trade secret in your business. Now, the next step is to see how we connect these ideas to your own company story so that we're focused only on what provides you with the best value.